Hi guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best gardening gloves you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with video. Number 1. Pine Tree Tools Bamboo Working Gloves. If you are looking for a new pair of gloves for the garden and you find regular gloves too thick to be practical, this could be the pair you're looking for. The main innovation is a special layer of rubber on the palms and fingers of the gloves that gives you a firm, secure grip but still allows you to feel what you are touching, almost as though you had no gloves on at all. Another key feature of these gloves is that they are made of bamboo. This material is breathable and absorbs perspiration, keeping your hands warm in the winter but cool in the summer. They also have snug cuffs that keep dirt out without pinching your wrists. Furthermore, they are perfect for many other uses, not just gardening. For example, they are ideal for fishing. They will give you a firm grip on a wriggling fish and will also help keep your hands safe from harm. On the downside, these gloves are not designed for heavy-duty garden work. They are more suited to lighter gardening tasks like weeding and planting. Also, they won't provide as much protection from thorns as traditional leather gardening gloves. All in all, a great option for general gardening tasks. They are comfortable to wear, give you a good grip and allow you to feel what you are doing. They sell for a very reasonable price and come highly recommended. Number 2. Pairs Women Gardening Gloves with Micro. For the cheapest garden gloves available that still do a good job of protecting your hands, these are hard to beat. They are sold in packs of 6, making them extremely good value, and, although they are inexpensive, they still perform well. Each pack contains gloves in assorted colors: pink, purple and green, and the gloves consist of a 100% nylon shell with a nitrile coating on the palms and fingers to help protect your hands and give you good grip while wearing them. The wrist is made of breathable polyester. At this price point, it seems almost unfair to point out negatives, but it is important to understand these gloves' limitations. They are designed for light to medium work, and you shouldn't expect them to last forever, especially if you wear them a lot. Also, they won't give you perfect protection against thorns and splinters, although they do offer a certain amount. When you first unpack them, they may have a chemical smell, but this dissipates quickly. They may also be a little stiff at first, but they become more supple after a few uses. To summarize, these gloves would be a good option for casual gardeners who need some light protection for their hands while working outside. And with such a low price tag, you can hardly go wrong. Pros. These sturdy gloves have enough padding on the palm and fingertips to thwart the thorniest rows. The combination of nylon, polyurethane palm is sturdy and flexible, and the fabric back of the glove is light and breathable. Cons. The thick padding on fingers reduces sensitivity for fine garden work. Number 3. Garden Genie Gloves with Claws. Waterproof garden gloves. The Garden Genies come with built-in claws and are specifically designed for digging. These gloves are waterproof and very durable because they're made from puncture-resistant latex. Instead of using a shovel or spade, you can use the sharpened nails built into the right hand of these gardening gloves. The hardened tips that come with the Garden Genie allow you to dig without using any additional tools quickly, and they work surprisingly well, especially in soft loam soil. This pair of gloves are waterproof and puncture resistant, protecting your hands from gardening injuries. Their breathable technology also protects your hands from dirt and sweat while doing heavy-duty work. The Garden Genie gloves come with an excellent grip, so you can grab hold of anything you may need without having to worry about using different tools or plants slipping right out of your hands. These gloves also extend quite past your wrist, which keeps your skin safe from thorns or other garden hazards. Perhaps the most notable thing about the Garden Genie is its price range. It's one of the most affordable in this list. PROs. Built-in claws. Waterproof and durable. Affordable. Cons: not very snug. Number 4. NoCry long leather gardening gloves. Protect your hands and arms from injuries and scratches with the NoCry long leather gardening gloves. It's 2x more puncture resistant than your regular leather gardening gloves. NoCry gloves have strong, double-layered natural goatskin leather fingertips and palms and utilize long flared gauntlet wristbands made from thick cowsplit leather. The incredibly soft and supple goatskin leather of the NoCry long leather gardening gloves provides flexibility while giving you the feeling of wearing an excellent driving glove. The high tensile strength goatskin leather makes these thorn-proof gloves ideal for trimming and cutting hedges, pruning roses, and blackberry bushes. It's also a good option when pulling weeds and thistles. The high tensile strength and premium leather of these gloves are both reliable and comfortable. They are relatively lightweight, so you'll hardly notice them while you work in your garden. The best thing about this product is it fits both men and women and can endure months of heavy use. According to reviews of some users, the NoCry long leather gardening gloves is not ideal to use when trimming cactus. The pricks attach and puncture the gloves easily. PROs: puncture resistant. Double-layered natural goatskin leather fingertips and palms. Flexible and easy to use. Cons: not suitable to use with cactus trimming. Number 5. Garden Genie gloves. Waterproof garden gloves. Here's something a little bit different. This is a pair of gloves that is sure to divide opinion. Some people will think they are an ingenious invention, while others might see them as nothing more than a quirky gimmick that doesn't have genuine applications in the real world. The innovation here, of course, is the claw on the end of each finger. The idea is that you can wear these gloves and simply scrape and dig the soil away for weeding and planting with your fingertips. This means there's no need to use any other tools. Other than the distinctive claws, the gloves feature a natural latex coating that makes them waterproof and puncture resistant. They are breathable and comfortable to wear, and they come in 6 different colors, making it easy to find a pair that suit your style. On the downside, some people will doubtlessly argue that while they are useful for digging, when it comes to other gardening jobs, the claws are unwieldy and just get in the way. Also, while they are great for digging loose soil, you might struggle with dry or more compacted earth. Whatever your opinion about these gloves, they are undeniably original. They sell at a low price point and would make a perfect gift for the keen gardener in your life. How useful they really are is debatable, but they are still a fun item to own, and most people will enjoy trying them out. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.